Friday, March 29th, 12:42 p.m. New York time. Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. If you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribe now and click the link for the bell to get the notifications. Just a reminder, if you want to get notifications, see the video the same day, as well as a lot more insight, I have a Patreon page. The link's below to subscribe to. Since the end of the month, let's do a monthly wrap-up looking at the equity indexes, the sectors, and the Magnificent Seven. Do the equity indexes first. It is the end of the first quarter of the year. Next month, we'll have major earnings for most of the big companies. We're looking here at a 20-year chart. That's right, 20 years. And each candlestick represents the month. So the S&P 500 is at an all-time high. The market is bullish. We're in a markup phase. Consider buying on the dips. The go-to index, the S&P 500. Here's the low of the year. All-time high, outstanding. NASDAQ 100, also all-time high. And the Dow Jones Industrial Average, all-time high. The Dow Transports, inside candle for the month. Isn't that interesting? All that price activity. It hasn't taken out the high or low of last month. Still below the high of last year. Let's make that a little bit smaller. But it's building a consolidation. Dow Jones Utility Average. Green for the month. Made a higher high, higher low. Where last month was the low of the year. It's in a downward trend. But that candle is very bullish. So we might see a momentum to the upside. In the Russell 2000, new high for the year. Yep. Green, higher high, higher low. Nice. Still below the high of 2022 and below the high of 2021. So the top three indexes, all-time new highs, outstanding, the top leadership. Note, the S&P 500 index is composed of several other indexes. Inside the S&P 500 is the NASDAQ 100, Dow Jones Industrial Average, the Dow Transports, Dow Utilities, and the S&P 100 are inside the S&P 500. The Russell 2000 are small caps. They are not in it. So you could buy these individual indexes, or you could buy the S&P 500, much more diversified. In the S&P 500, it's also broken down by sectors. That's right. So 11 sectors. We're going to go to them next. And we'll go in order of the sectors. Yep, the largest cap. First sector being technology. It's stock symbol right here. Stock ETF. Again, 20-year history, each candle's a month. All-time new high. No surprise, technology. Leadership. Healthcare. XLV. Inside candle for the month. Can you believe that? All the price action for this month that hasn't taken out the higher low of last month. Financials, XLF, all-time new high, no surprise. They are doing very well. Consumer discretionary, XLY. They make a new high for the year, but it closed red. It's not the top performer. XLC, Communication Services. Nice, new high for the year. Industrials, XLI, new high for the year. Outstanding new high for the 20 years. Consumer Staples, XLP, new high for the year, but not all-time new high yet. Energy, XLE. Yep, new high for the year. Look at that big green bullish candle, outstanding. But not all-time high, but then very strong candle. XLU Utilities, green for the month, new high for the year, big green candle. Real estate, XLRE, green for the month. Has not taken out the high of the year yet, which is there. And big consolidation here. That's where you have a big consolidation, building energy. Building energy, so when it breaks out, it's going to have a new trend, one way or the other. Like here, consolidation, breakout, energy, trend. Materials, XLB, new high for the year and new high for the 20 years. Outstanding. Here you go, the 11 sectors. Again, the U.S. economy is super strong. Unemployment is very low. Outstanding. Now we'll look at the Magnificent Seven. Apple, red for the month, new low for the year. Amazon, green, new high for the year. Outstanding. And I did show that as a trade idea earlier when it got announced to be part of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. If you bought it when I recommended it, you have gains now. Outstanding. Google, parent company called Meta. Parent company called Alphabet. Green for the month. Almost at the all-time high. Just shy. Meta, all-time new high. Red, bearish pin bar. Very suspicious up there. Yep. So one would expect this big candle to have some kind of minor retracement and then go back up, maybe retrace the top of that bullish pin bar. I would not be buying up here. Microsoft, all-time new high, outstanding. NVIDIA, no surprise, all-time new high. Tesla, new low for the year. Yep. Bearish. It's in a markdown phase. And Snow, new low for the year. Again, bearish pin bar there. And the sell-off. Netflix, new high for the year. Small bearish pin bar, but so suspicious. One I want to be buying up there. So looking at the Magnificent Seven, be better off to be buying the equity indexes I showed you. So you could do the equity indexes or, like I mentioned, the individual sectors. Thank you as always, spending just a little bit of time with me. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.